Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS5 to your iPhone, setting you up for portable gaming. First, download the official PS Remote Play application on your iPhone from the App Store. Ensure your PlayStation 5 console is powered on or in its low-power rest mode. A stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, is essential for a smooth, uninterrupted gaming session. Consider being within 25 feet of your Wi-Fi router for optimal performance. These initial steps are crucial before attempting to link your devices. Next, you need to prepare your PlayStation 5 for remote access. Head to the Settings menu on your console, then scroll down to System. Within the System options, find and enable Remote Play. Also, ensure your console is set as the primary PS5 under Users and Accounts. Finally, adjust your features available in rest mode so your console can power on and stay connected to the internet. This setup ensures your iPhone can easily find and connect to your PlayStation 5. Now, open the PS Remote Play application on your iPhone to configure it. You will need to sign in using your PlayStation Network account, ensuring it is the identical account linked to your PlayStation 5 console. Once signed in, the application will prompt you to select which console you wish to connect to. Choose PS5 from the options presented. The app will then automatically search for and register your PlayStation 5, which typically takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your network speed. For the best gaming experience, you will want to pair your DualSense wireless controller with your iPhone. First, make sure your controller is fully charged and not connected to your PlayStation 5. Press and hold the Create button and the PS button simultaneously on the controller until the light bar begins to flash blue. Then, open your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and select the DualSense wireless controller from the list of available devices. Your controller's light bar will turn solid blue once it successfully connects, giving you precise control for your games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.